The sun is shining.
Boy. Yeah. The first time I see you try to do something like that. Smarty. Very good.
It's a farmyard sing-along.
What about the circle? Circle.
The sun is shining.
Oh, very good, Baba. You are so cute. Mommy's so proud of you. You're so smart. You're so smart. Right? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if we're getting you, but I assume we are. Yeah. Hi. You like to sit on people now. You like to sit on the doggies. They're gonna bite you one of these days. I love you. What should we do today? We should go somewhere, right? Yeah. Maybe Mommy get ready. We could go.
The sun is shining.